I'm a full stack software developer by trade. I'm like mostly self-taught. I'm currently a tech lead at a fairly good size meal kit delivery company. And I was looking to learn more about AI that wasn't just piecing together random things from the internet. I wanted a more structured approach. And so I was looking for some organized course that wasn't going back to like school, like going back to college or something. And I found this. I liked being able to drop in for the coaching. That was great. I liked the lectures for all of the content that we had the live lectures, and then they were also recorded. So I could go twice. That helped sync some of the information in that I could watch a lecture. It would be recorded with the transcript, and then I could watch that same lecture again, like on the weekend. That really helped me like grasp some of these concepts. Content wise, I thought it was basically like the full stack of things that you need for learning current AI stuff and how to like approach this information. It was definitely a lot of content, but I feel like it was manageable with also the like the learning management system that was implemented, like the quizzes, the notebooks, and so getting like those reps in for how all of this stuff works. It was definitely a lot, don't get me wrong, but it was also manageable if you can just follow the path of the course. What I'm already doing now is just building, I want to build some projects and some products with this knowledge. Consulting, I'm sure, is definitely an option, especially as you learn more that the same stuff you're doing to build your own projects and products. I'm sure other companies would definitely be interested in paying you to do that as well. But basically, being able to take this knowledge and go build stuff with it.